We're going to start tearing this bridge apart today. We'll get the boards taken off that need to be replaced, let it dry up. Yeah, this is pretty muddy down here. There's the damage down in here. The bottom of that truss is what I spliced in a few weeks ago. That's broke, that's no big deal. And then this 2x6 here is cracked. So I'm just gonna get another one. When all this gets dried out, I'll just jack this thing up into place. I'll use construction adhesive to put in there. I'll sister the 2x6s together and patch in this 2x4. A few more deck boards and we'll be good to go. Well, that looks 100 times better. Got some boards that are rotted I'm going to replace. I'll probably take all of these off of here when I go to repair that truss. But everything's cleaned up. So this is going to dry for a few weeks and then I'll get back on it. Okay, now I've got to figure out some way to jack this thing back up into place, hold the base of it down so it doesn't move, and then I'm going to put my splices in here, get it all glued and nailed together. Shouldn't be too bad. When I built this bridge, I built it like trusses, and I put these gussets on both sides, and that's what caused these to rot out like that. Water got trapped in there. So anytime you sandwich a couple pieces of treated lumber together, it rots out for no reason. So that's one of the reasons I use a construction adhesive, not just for strength, but to kind of seal this up to keep water out of those two layers there. Sounds good in theory. I don't know if it'll work. I'm going to let this dry out a few days before I put the deck down because these are rotted too. They're wet. I'll probably end up using construction adhesive with nails to put the deck boards down. So a few years ago when I repaired the ends of these, I put 3/4 inch treated plywood in here. That way it bridges over the rotted area, gives us some strength, and I only did one side. That way water can drain out of it. Okay, it's done. Until the next tree falls on it. Thanks for watching.